This is going to be a step-by-step video of how to get your coins graded. It is one of the most requested videos here on Couch Collectibles, so thank you guys for putting it in the comments. I'm going to do my best to explain everything and talk about the three companies that I would go with and why I would go with one over the other for certain coins. And I'm going to show you my coins that I recently got back from a coin grading company and show you guys the form and how to fill it out and how to send your coins properly to those coin grading companies. Let's just hop into this one. Okay, so this first coin grading company is called ANACS, A-N-A-C-S. Right there, you see the logo? Alright, we're going to talk about PCGS and NGC in just a second. Now, I just got these coins back from ANACS, and I'll tell you why I graded with this company instead of the other ones. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm going to tell you why I love PCGS and NGC as well. Alright, so I went with this company to grade these coins because I knew that these coins are not super valuable, and I personally wanted to have them authenticated and just end coin holders for my personal collection. Now, some coins you want to have graded by PCGS or NGC. You can take your pick. I'm a PCGS guy. They're kind of have been really good to me, gave me a 1-year free membership and all that. So feel free to check them out at PCGS.com. So like if this was an expensive coin, like say this coin was worth like 500 bucks, 400 bucks, 300 bucks, I would go with PCGS to grade this coin if it was worth that. This coin, not really worth much. It's got the leaky bucket. It has a little die chip there at the bottom of the bucket. I've done a whole video on this. I'll put it on top of the screen. You guys can see an image of it. But yes, that's a simple coin, nothing too valuable there. This one I wanted to have graded, even though it's corroded. I wanted to have graded because we found this double die on the live stream from a bunch of 1943 steel cents that we searched through from a coin collection that I had bought from a guy that was selling it for his dad because he was in the hospital and had medical bills and stuff, so they wanted to sell their collection. And I ended up finding that on a live stream, so that was really cool. I'll have that image over top the video, the double die obverse you want to look for on the 1943 steel cent. So nothing too valuable there again. I just had this off center that I wanted to get graded. I believe Brian Hooper sent me this. Maybe I'll send it back to him in this coin slab if he wants it. Let me know in the comments below, Brian. 1988, struck 15% off center, graded at a Mint State 63 red. Pretty sure he sent me that one. I get confused on which coins. I got so many just all over the place. Alright, now here's a coin that I found in a coin roll that I bought off of eBay. It does have a reverse lamination there at the bottom. You can kind of see it there. So I just wanted to send that in to have it graded. Keep it for my personal collection. Not much value there either, right? Now this is a 1934 double die obverse that I had in my collection. Just kind of sitting around in a coin flip, so I kind of wanted to have it in a holder and have it graded. Even though it's at an extremely low grade, an AG3, about good 3, coin grading scale goes to 70. This is at a 3, so very low, but again, you want to look for that doubling there on the front of the coin of the 1934 Washington quarter. So if you come across any silver quarters in a collection that you purchase or something, definitely put those underneath the microscope. And then also the 2009 double die obverse. I don't remember how I got this. Either someone sent this to me or I found it. Something. I really don't remember. I feel like someone sent it to me. Formative years double die reverse. The Wexler double die reverse -006. Wexler coins. We'll have images of that. So Mint State 67 red, pretty cool. You want to look for all kinds of different doubling there on the fingers. There's different examples of that for the 2009 Lincoln cent. Alright, so you guys know why I went with ANACS, because it was a lot cheaper. ANACS does not require you to have a membership. PCGS does. But say this coin was a 1972 double die obverse and it was graded by ANACS at a let's just say AU58. And then you have another 1972 double die obverse graded by PCGS that has the same grade. Well, when you sell those coins, the PCGS coin, even though it's the same grade as the ANACS coin, the PCGS coin will sell for more money. Collectors you know, just respect that company more. You know, they're a top grading company, so you're going to get more for your coins if you go with PCGS or NGC as opposed to ANACS. But for coins like this, the reason I sent these to ANACS is because I know that these are not extremely valuable coins. And I'm just keeping them for my personal collection. So I don't want to waste a lot of money on paying to have these graded, because ANACS is a lot cheaper than the other grading companies. I didn't want to waste a lot of money on coins that weren't really worth a lot of money, right? All right, so let's go through the process. Rule number 1, read this right here, big red print. Do not send mint packaging, which is like, you know, like silver proof sets that are encapsulated and stuff like that. You got to take those out. No staples or tape placed on the coin flips. And what you want to do is, we got a nickel right here, a silver nickel from 1943. It is the P mint mark. We put this in here, right? This isn't even the right holder for this. This is a penny holder. And what we do is we use a rubber band. So we'll use the rubber band to make sure it's nice and tight. And that's how you put your coins and flips when you are shipping them to the coin grading companies. Now, as you see here, it's got a number 1. So this is your first coin on the list. So what I usually do is I put, so they don't get confused, even though they're going to read it and know which coin it is, I put a number 1 right there. That's all I do. So what you're going to fill out on this form, I know it looks like a lot and it's confusing, but you just put your name, your address, your city, phone number, email, state, zip code, and that's about it. This is for office only, so you don't have to mess with that. And then you get down to the nitty gritty. So this is office use only, right? All this is office use only. So what you want to do is we got a 1944 or 43, whatever it was. Let's just go with 43. 1943 P mint mark Jefferson nickel. So we got, how many do we have? Quantity, we have 1 of these coins. The coin date is 1943. Just make sure it's really legible so they can read it. The mint mark is a P mint mark. The denomination is 5 cents. And the owner's value, this is up to you. If you think your coin's worth $20, $25, or $100, let's say it's worth $100, we'll put that on there, and I'll tell you, why that may be important to you here in just a second. The country, US, United States. Now we get on to the variety. So whatever you think it is. Say you think it's a double die obverse, you can just put DDO. If you think it's a off-center penny or off-center nickel, we'll put off-center. And then you can also, this says coin imaging, you can pay an extra $3 to get like a picture of your coin. PCGS has got extremely good pictures with their true view. I definitely recommend, if you go through PCGS, to get the true view. It's worth the extra money just to have those pictures, to high quality picture of your coin. But if you don't need a picture, then don't buy it. So we'll put an extra $3 on there just so we can show you the bottom of the form and how to fill that out. Now let's just do one more coin. So we got one more coin. Let's say it's a 1988 penny. It is the D mint mark. So we put 1 cent for the denomination. We say it's worth $25. And we'll put US for the country. Let's put Brockage. Mint error. Alright, and then we'll also check the coin imaging. We want an image of it. You don't have to if you don't want to. Alright, so down here at the bottom, so we go to owner's value. So we got 2 coins. I recommend doing more if you're going to send coins that are, if you just want to send a bunch of coins. Now here is the owner's value. 125 total, right? Of course, if you have more coins, you'd add that all up. So this is probably what you want to get insurance on your package. You want to pay for insurance up to $125 if that's what you think your coins are worth, just in case they do get lost or something. But chances are I haven't had any problems with sending my coins, and I'll also show you how to package those as well and some other information on that. So there's a lot here. I know it looks so much, right? So first, if you want to do a check, you do it pay by check. If you got a MasterCard, you check MasterCard. You put the card number here, expiration date. You have to sign here to make sure, because your order will not be processed without a signature. And then you put the date. Which one do we have here? All right, so we have the modern coins. 1950, well, actually the 1943 isn't. So I guess the 1943 would be considered, let's see here. And these are the max values per coin. So if your coin's worth $10,000, that's how much That's going to be $49. All right, so here are the grading fees. Grading fees. Choose your tier of service. All right, so I did 1950. All right, so modern coins, 1950 to present. You have to do at least 5 coins. You have to send at least 5 coins for that, and they are only $12 a piece. So we check that. Let's just say they're both modern, right? Let's just say we got 5 modern coins here, right? Instead of 2. We'll just pretend. All right, so we got 5 modern coins. We check economy for the 1943, but we're not going to just because it's before 1950. All right, so we got number of coins here. We got 5 coins total. The grading fee is right here. The $12 that we circled. $12. So 5 times 12 equals $60. Now, please initial one conservation option. I don't do that. No thanks. Verification per coin. So this is for errors, varieties, right here. You have to add this in there. So say if we got 5 coins, it's going to be $9 for each one of those mint error coins. So we got 5 coins, number of coins, times 9 because we're getting an mint error coin graded. That would be $45. All right. And then also we have, say we have 5 coins that we want images of. It's $3 per image. That would be an extra $15. You guys don't have to do that again. And then return, entrance, shipping, and handling. All right, so see the chart for prices on the back of the thing. All right, so we go to the back of the form. It tells you right here at the bottom how many coins. You have 1 through 4. We have 5 through 20. And the value is under $1,000. So it's going to cost us $32 for shipping. All right, so that's what we put there. And then we add up the total. So we got 60 plus 45 plus 15 plus 32. $152 total to grade 5 mint error coins and have 5 images. Before you do this, you want to make sure that your coins are actually mint error coins. That's why I have the service available on my YouTube channel to press. This is not a promotion, but I have to put this in the video so you guys understand. I have a service where you press the blue join button on my channel and become a level 2 member. You can send images of your coins to my email for review, and I'll tell you if you should get the coins graded or not. And it's only $5 a month. I don't want you guys to go and get 10 coins graded and 20 coins graded and them not be mint errors and you guys spend hundreds of dollars on a coin that isn't worth anything because you thought it was a mint error, but it actually wasn't. So that is what the service is available for. You can send pictures, multiple pictures of up to 10 different coins per month. So not 10 pictures, but choose 10 coins, take multiple pictures of each coin, and send those to me when you are a level 2 member. My email is on that membership when you click the join button, so make sure you guys read that. So that's pretty simple. I know it seems like a lot, but it's actually really simple. And then when you have your coins all together, so say you got like a stack of coins, right? You want to get some bubble wrap. You want to make sure you get them in a nice box. You want to make sure you have the address. The address is right here. P.O. Box 6000, Englewood, Colorado, 80155 for ANACS, different for PCGS and NGC. And when you get to the post office, you want to make sure to tell them that you want to ship this with registered mail. Registered mail. That way you guys can get your coins there and you don't have to worry about the safety of your coins. And, you know, this is a really good value. $152, you know, for 5 coins. And that's including shipping and the images. So essentially you're paying a little over $30 per coin. If one of your coins is worth 200 bucks, you know it's worth it. You're spending $152 on 5 coins. You got one coin worth a couple $100. Now, if your coins are not even worth $152 combined, maybe you don't get the coins graded, or maybe, you know, you pay to have them graded like me just to have them in your coin collection. But PCGS is the other company. I'm going to put them up on the screen, and NGC as well. So you can go to their websites. I'll have it listed on the screen. PCGS, you do have to have a membership. But with a certain membership, you do get to grade regular coins for free. So if you're trying to get like a very high grade on a certain coin, you know, let's say, I don't know, 1909 SVDB very rare, key date, low mintage coin, right? I think maybe that would qualify for maybe the free one. I don't know. It depends on the value. They might have a value limit on that. You'll have to read that, but they have a form on their website you can fill out as well. Simple form, just like this one. Takes you by step by step on that form. So be sure to check them out at PCGS.com. And you can also check out NGC. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Let me know if this process helped you. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer those. PCGS is going to be more like around the $50 to $60 range, I believe, to grade mint error coins. So you see how pricey that can be when you have 5 coins. You're spending $50 per coin. Just to have it graded. Not worth grading these with PCGS just because they don't have much value. So like I say, if you have a good coin, I recommend getting it graded by PCGS and not this company, ANACS. But this company is great for, you know, not so valuable coins. Or if you just don't have a lot of money and you're on a budget and you only need to get a few coins graded, then go with ANACS. You can still sell the coin if it's an expensive coin graded by ANACS, as long as it's authenticated by ANACS. You're just not going to get as much for the coin as you would in a PCGS or NGC holder. That's just the way it is. It's the way the market is. You know, it's the way that collectors view these companies. But these are the 3 companies that I would go with: PCGS, NGC, and ANACS, which is ANACS. Again, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I feel like I'm forgetting stuff. I hope, you know, I supported all 3 companies in this video evenly and gave them all their fair share. So yeah, make your decision based on your needs and based on your financials and your situation. So everyone is in a different situation, so they might use one company over another. Totally up to you guys, but this is my real opinion on all 3 companies. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe in the middle. Check out the videos to the left of me. And until tomorrow, I'll see you guys in the comment section below. This is Couch Collectibles, and this is where I disappear.